from different shades to different degrees, all in differing probabilities. A Leibniz dream, as rational as it may seem. It's better described through a Voltaire scene. We exist here, set free. Respect to Aristotle and the laws of identity. We are all NFTs. NFTs washed along the shores. 100 billion bottles every day. More, more, more. But when the connections are true, Andrea will tell you. Get the cameras rolling, get the action going. Blockchains connecting brains for highly leveraged gains. Royalty payments minted into immutable chains. The Hulk would relent in frustration and disdain. Aristotle set us free, planting the seeds deeply into our identities. We are all NFTs. Archimedes levered the way, giving us the tools to bale the hay. A needle found when the leverage abounds. Nav.al's tweetstorm laid it down. Needles and haystacks easily found. That is how I will remember it now. A syllogism comes to mind. You know, the one about Socrates' mortal's time. Set free. The result of chains? An impossible philosophical campaign. How can it be? All men are mortal. Therefore, you see. I am not a man as Aristotle knew him. I am an NFT. Come on, honey. We're NFTs, my love.